Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We are out here having to dig our potatoes. The two rows here behind me, the piece of rows, is the potatoes that we planted. That was the potatoes that we saved ourselves from last year. We had two pieces of a row, which probably equals one full row, about 65 to 70 feet long. And we got almost a 5-gallon bucket full off of it. And we can look into the bucket, you'll see this is them here. We're going to be saving the larger ones to plant again next year. We're trying to create a potato that will grow here in the deep south and do pretty fair. And these look pretty good. Now what we did in the rest of the patch here is we had a lot of potatoes that were trying to die. We don't know why they're dying. The weather's actually been perfect for growing potatoes. But we have been going through there picking out the ones. A lot of them died because of fire ants. Every time we would dig a plant up, they would be covered up in fire ants eating the stems up on the plants and, trying to burrow little holes in the potatoes and stuff. And so we went ahead and got them out of there. And we got almost a 5-gallon, I'd say it's pretty close to a 5-gallon bucket full of them also. And what we noticed was the potatoes that we were digging up that the fire ants had got to are no larger than the ones that we saved of our own. They're both about the same size. Guys, we're digging them 2 weeks early this year than when we dug them last year. We don't know what's up with that, but as you can look and see, these are some nice potatoes for canning. They're not large. Now, that's one thing about it. They're about 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter. It just amazes us that it's 2 weeks early this year. We always said the seasons was early this year for us here in the Deep South, and they are early. This is proof here. We're going to continue to monitor them, watch them, and take them out as we need them. And as soon as we get through with these, we're going to be putting sweet potatoes right back into place behind them because we need the ground. We got slips growing everywhere, and we need to get those sweet potatoes in the ground. So looks like we're going to be able to do that here before long. So thank y'all for watching us here on our first day of our Irish potato harvest. And thank you from Deep South Homestead.